Happy morning! Time to relax. Time to open the mystery box. Okay, so this is the mystery box. So remember I got this from my doorstep. You see, I've been watching a lot of crafters, a lot of DIYers in YouTube. And usually they do some collaboration or collab. And, somebody sends something to somebody. They exchange. Usually it's a group. But I don't have yet that community. Okay? So somebody gave me this package. And I really don't know what's inside. But this is really more of the challenge to me to create DIY Christmas ornaments out of something which may be not typical, materials which are not really for ornaments. So this is really challenging. I don't know if I will pass this test, but let's open. Let's see what's inside. So the thing is, I need to make Christmas ornaments with whatever items that are in this mystery box. Mystery box! Let's see together what's inside. So, kasali ba to? Probably. I could also use, we're talking of ornaments. So, let's see. Oh my God. Ano to? Boots. Boots. May mga price, 172. Of course, for a pair. Hindi naman cash na sa akin to. So, let's make it into something. But we're talking of Christmas ornament. My challenge will be the color. It's blue. So let's see. I don't have any idea yet. Let's see what can be done. The challenge is strictly Christmas ornaments out of these things. Let's see. What else? What else? What else? Boots. Pwedeng Santa's boots. Pero blue. So, patungan. I don't know. Dapat din kasi a little on yung may budget, not expensive. Kasi what's the purpose? And what is this? 21 pesos. Tattoo. Tattoo is the design. It's really for the hands. Yung ganyan. Okay, let's see. I don't have any idea yet. Wow. 101 pesos. Fruit plate. Plastic. Christmas ornament or something to use for Christmas setup. Something to be assembled. I think this is double layer. There are smaller plates, so something like a cake stand or something like that. Fruit plate. It's called fruit plate. We will assemble later and see what's the potential. 82 pesos bonsai planters. Like this. Okay. So I don't know if I would make something individual for each of these items or pasasama-samahin. So it really depends. No idea yet. Okay. What else? Oh, ring light. Ring light. It is ring light. So, pwede ba ito sa nose ni Rudolph? I don't know. Or a wreath. Why not? A base for wreath. I'll check first if this still works. Pero, mukhang hindi na. It looks like it's not working anymore. It looks like it's broken. So, the only thing I'm thinking about this is a wreath. Christmas wreath. Why not? What else is here? Oops, what's this? Okay, so ito isang malaking to. Well, I could use this for glitters. Maraming magagamit dito. Aha! 14 pesos each, dalawang 2 bottle openers. Christmas decor, hanging. I have to think. But the colors aren't Christmas, but who cares? And now naman there's so many uso comb. So does this mean I have to comb my hair before I do the DIY and before I take the videos? Probably. It's 13 pesos each. But good thing you can hang this, right? Wings. Angel wings. I have no idea. Okay, I'm done. No more here. The box is empty. My head is still empty. My brain is still empty. I still don't know what to do yet. But that's the challenge. Make all of this non-Christmas items into Christmas ornaments. So let's see. Mystery box unboxing. And on my next video, I'll try to figure out what to do. Okay? Good luck to me. Hindi ko alam kung happy morning pa rin. Pero yes, happy morning!
This is Handling Home My Way.